Eu não filmei ele because estava pause. So, I don't know what to do with it. I want to see my shot. My shot was the one of the year, definitely. Had to be. I aimed towards the face.
Yeah.
Mine's definitely the best one. Like, the one right here was definitely mine.
Nice. Here you go.
I want to try again.
Try it. Go for it.
Wait, I want to try one more time. I just want a one shot because I don't want to go toot. It looks scary.
It's spit.
Did you?
Yeah. I think it's still fine like that. Like even the lips.
Didn't it bounce towards the wall? Wait. Oh, there's his. That's his shell. Okay, don't shoot. Wait, I have to take your shell. That went.
You ready?
Really?
Yep. Come on. Yes. Keep going. Calm down, Matthews. Calm down. One more. I put 5 rounds. Alright, come down. There's a laser rule. Wherever you point, there's a laser rule. Wherever you point the gun, it destroys.